Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Lloyd with leadsbylloyd.com. And this evening, I'm going to do a video on the Power Lead System marketing tips. Again, it's Power Lead System marketing tips. All right. If you find value in the content that I give you this evening, please do me a huge favor and like this video, subscribe to my channel. Moving forward, I'm going to try to add valuable content to my channel on a weekly basis. And with that being said, let's get started. So I started with the Power Lead System in February of this year, the end of February, like around the 26th or so. So I've been in it for about 2 months. And one of the main reasons I'm doing this video is because I'm having phenomenal success with this program. Now, I'll admit I have uh, seen or been in some other programs, but this one embodies or encompasses everything that you need to make money online. You don't have to go anywhere else to get anything like lead capture pages, autoresponder, contact manager. Everything is how in-house you have access to everything that you need to begin making money online and gathering leads for, either the Power Lead system to monetize that, or if you're already in a if you already have a business or you're already involved in an opportunity, you can market that, or you can market both of them. The sky's the limit is what you can do with this marketing suite of tools, um, and the training that they have within. So, but this particular video I'm going to show you how you market the Power Lead system, or Power Lead system marketing tips. Okay. So in marketing the Power Lead system, you definitely want to utilize social media. You want to get what they say. You want to put your lines, as many lines in the water as possible. Meaning, you want to, have your link on Instagram. You want to have your link on YouTube. You want to have your link on Facebook. You want to have your link on Craigslist. Any number of the social media outlets, because there are billions and millions of people um, on those sites looking for an opportunity like this. Okay, so it behooves you to get yourself out there, put yourself out there, so to speak. All right, so let me see if I can break this down for you real quick. I did this little sketch. All right, so you got Instagram, which has about 700, 800 million. YouTube is over 1 billion. Facebook, is over 1 billion. Um, Craigslist, I think, is close to 100 million now. And all of these, a percentage of those subscribers to these various social media outlets, some of them are looking for an opportunity like this, make money from a home opportunity, or make money online opportunity, and Power Lead System is just that. Now I have over here PT, which stands for paid traffic, or short for paid traffic. This is definitely another way to monetize Power Lead System, or gain access to targeted traffic. Um, but again, you pay for that. These are free. This one is paid. Okay. I utilize all of them, and I'm gonna show you, the results. So LP, that all that means is that's your landing page. All right. So Power Lead System gives you access to a sales funnel, which is basically a landing page, a sales page, and a follow-up series with an autoresponder. So a landing page is where we collect, name, email, phone number. The key component of that is email. Okay, and I'm gonna show you an example. So here's what mine look like. So let's look at this one. get here. Website, so the main. Just click on one. All right. So this is what we would call a landing page, okay? And this was where they put in their email. And when they put their email in, let me just put an email. So they put their email in here, right? And then so this keeps all the robots and fake people out. So they do that just to verify that you're human. And if you would like to reset, no, just continue to. All right, so then it goes to.
If you're tired of wasting your time,
this is called a sales page, right? So they give you their email from the landing page or opt-in page. They come to this sale page, which basically has a video, short video, explains how you make money or the benefits of Power Lead system. This talks about how you make money with the Power Lead system. So they get all the information that they need to make a decision. Then they start a free trial with it. Okay. So if you get this information in front of people who are looking to make money online, who are trying to supplement their income, home-based business, this gives you everything you need right here. Then once they opt in, the email autoresponder within Power Lead system will send emails out to those people on a periodic basis, probably once a day or once every other day, just so that you stay in front of them and stay relevant. Because they say that people have to see things 5 to 12 times before they make a buying decision, and we have, I think, 20 to 30 days worth of emails that go out to those people who opt in on your landing page. Okay, so you stay in front of them, and they're going to convert. When they convert, they pay you, and then you earn a residual income. So right now, I'm earning $310 residually from the Power Lead system. I think I had a $500 day last week. Let's see if I can find it. Where was it? Here you go. Bam. See, I had a $531 day a week last week, so that was awesome. So it just goes to shows and prove that you can make money online with this system. It works. Like I said, I've only been in it, what, 2 months now. All right. So now I'm gonna go show you a little bit of proof of, getting. Look, I got me another one at 9:57. That was 3 minutes ago. So I'm gonna go in here with priceless. All right. So today I have gotten 65 leads. 65 people have given me their emails today. On the last 2 days, I take that back because we had 16 on the 26th. Today is the 28th. So between the 27th and 28th, I've gathered 65 leads. Now, remember I was telling you want to have you know various social media platforms. So that's me. Oh, I'm sorry, that was me. So here you can see this one came from Craigslist. This one came from Craigslist. 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 Let me look. A lot of them came from Craigslist because I put an ad up today, and man, it's been working. Let's see if I can find one that's not from Craigslist. Let's see real quick. All right, so this is from paid traffic. So I purchased some traffic as well. So there are people out there called solo ad vendors who have email lists that are made up solely of people seeking to make money online, or network marketers or home-based business owners. And what you will do is you'll pay them you'll pay them for clicks. So you say, I'll pay you $75 for 100 clicks. And then they will send you an email to their list with your link, and they will make sure that you get 100 or more clicks to your link. Out of those 100 clicks to your link, some of them are going to put in their email address. So you might have, out of 100 clicks, you might have 40 that opt in to your email, to your landing page, which then puts them on your email list. And out of that 40, you may have 5 people that, you know, get in the program with you and start paying you a residual income. And that's the benefit of doing paid traffic, because it doesn't take that long. I mean, it doesn't take that long to get results. You know, you see them almost immediately. All right, and this one, here's one that came from Facebook. So I'm getting leads. I'm seeing results because I'm getting leads from everywhere: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Craigslist, and paid traffic. The more the more places that I have my link out means the more opportunity I have to collect leads, which means I have more opportunity for those leads to convert to sales and to pay me a residual income. So let me see, is there anything else? It's really that simple. So connect with me, join Power Lead System with me. I'm part of the Freedom Takers group. So we will take care of you. I will take care of you. Um, so many people within our group are having success. Um, this guy made a sale, got a gold member, um, got a diamond member. And I'm not gonna even talk about all those things, but just know you can make $100 per person or $400 per person. They have some high ticket items as well, so they can make a substantial. I want to find the one. This is my mentor. She has been doing it since September of last year, and this is the type of money she's currently making with her Power Lead System business. And if you join now, we're in a 90-day blitz where Sunday through Thursday, she's showing us exactly step by step what she does from now till I think the first week in July. How she does what she does is exactly what she's doing to make this type of income. So connect with me. The link will be in the description. I might have a caption in this video if you're looking at YouTube. But go to leadsbyloyd.com. Leads by Lloyd, LeadsByLloyd.com. And I'll talk to you soon.